Good morning, grade 6 students. Welcome to your math class. But before we start the lesson proper, please prepare the following: your math textbook, your pen, and a paper to write the solution. Our lesson for today is Lesson 14-3, Surface Area of Pyramids. Textbook pages 719 until 724. Our objective is to draw a net of a pyramid and find its surface area. But before we start, let's have some important details. What are pyramids? So pyramids are three-dimensional figures with one polygonal base and triangular faces. So here we have a square pyramid because the base is a square and the faces are triangles. And another pyramid is a triangular pyramid since the base is a triangle and the faces are also triangles. So let's start our lesson. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start by watching this video.
We can find the surface area of a square pyramid. Start by using this grid to draw an accurate net of the pyramid. First, draw the base, a 6 by 6 square. Each side of the pyramid has a height of 4, and each side is a triangle. Now we're ready to calculate each area. The base is a square. Its area is its length times its width. 6 times 6 equals 36 square inches. Next, we'll find the area of a triangular face. To find the area of a triangle, we use the formula 1/2 times the base times the height. So, we calculate 1/2 of 6 times 4, which means each triangle has an area of 12 square inches. Now all we have to do is add the areas to find the surface area. And we find that the surface area is equal to 84 square inches.
Let's discuss the solve and share problem on textbook page 719.
The fence around Marcy's house has decorative tops in the shape of square pyramids every 6 feet. She paints every side of each top a different color. How much total surface area does Marcy need to paint? Solve this problem any way you choose.
Okay, so the solution is to find the surface area of this pyramid. First, we are going to draw that pyramid on our grid. So we have here the base is square. So let's draw here a square with a side of 4 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So also here 4. Okay, so each side of this square pyramid is 4 inches. Next, on the faces of the pyramid are triangles with a height of 7. So let's draw the net here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the height. The height is 7 inches. This is 7. Also in this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also the height is 7. Also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember that in a square pyramid, also the faces are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is also 7 inches. Now, to find the surface area of this pyramid, first let us find the area of this base, which is a square. So this is the base, it is a square. So the area of the base, which is the square, is equal to side times side. This is the formula for the area of a square. So the side is 4 times 4. So that is equal to 16 square inches. So meaning the area of this square with sides of 4 is 16 square inches. Okay, now let's find the area of this triangle. So here its faces are triangles. So we have here the area of that triangle will be equal to, write the formula first, 1/2 multiplied to the base multiplied to its height. So here 1/2 times the base of the triangle is, okay, how long is this side? So it is 4 times 4, and the height of the triangle is 7, so times 7. So it will be equal to 1/2 times 4 times 7 is 28. So multiplied to 1/2, or so 1/2 of 28 is what? Is equal to 14. So the area of this triangle is 14 square inches. So now, so meaning this is 16 inch squared, this is 14, this is also 14, and this is 14, as well as this one is 14. So to find the area of the pyramid, we are going to add the area of its faces and the base. So here the square is having the area of 16 plus all of this 14, 14, 14, 14. So we will add 4 14s here. 14 plus 14 plus 14. These 4 14s refer to the area of the triangular faces. So all in all, if you add them all, the total will be 72 square inches. Okay, so I hope you understand this first problem. So let's answer textbook page 719. So the same problem that we shown on the video a while ago, and the answer was this square pyramid is having a surface area of 72 square inches. Okay, on the same page, let's answer the look back part. The fence in the backyard also has fence tops shaped like pyramids. They are 2 inches greater on each side of the square base, and the triangular sides are 7 inches high. How much paint does Marcy need to paint all of the sides of one of these fence tops? So here, we are given the same pyramid, but it is stated in the problem that the base is 2 inches greater. So instead of 4 inches, the base will now be 6 inches. Okay, so first step, to find the surface area of this pyramid, let us first find the area of its base. Its base is a square, so the area of a square is equal to side multiplied to side, which is equal to 6 times 6, that is 36 square inches. Okay, so meaning the square base is having the area of 36 square inches. Okay, what about the triangular faces? Remember that in a square pyramid, it has 4 triangular faces since the square has 4 sides. So the number of sides of the base will be the number of triangular faces in a square pyramid or in a triangular pyramid. And these faces are triangles. Okay, so the height of this triangle is 7 inches and the base is 6 inches. So again, the area for finding the triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. So that is equal to 1/2 times base 6 and height of 7. So 1/2 of 42, that is equal to 21 inches. And since we have 4 triangular faces, therefore the area of the whole pyramid will be the area of the square, which is 36, plus the area of the 4 triangular faces, so that is 4 times we write the 21. So that all in all will be equal to 120 square inches. So the surface area of the pyramid is 120 square inches. Okay, let's go to page 720. Let us first discuss the one part of that page.
How can you find the surface area of a pyramid? Think about this question during the lesson. Maxwell made a model of a house using a cube for the bottom and a square pyramid for the top. He wants to paint the top of the house a different color. One tube of craft paint covers about 20 square inches. How many tubes of paint does Maxwell need to cover the top of his model?
The faces of a pyramid are triangles.
What information do you need to solve the problem? You need the dimensions of the square pyramid. You also need to know that one tube of paint covers about 20 square inches. Here is one way to solve the problem. Draw a net of the square pyramid. Find the area of the square base, B. Then find the area, A, of each triangular face. Then find the sum of the areas of the base and the faces. What is the surface area of the pyramid?
Select your answer.
SA equals 9 plus 7 5/10 plus 7 5/10 plus 7 5/10 plus 7 5/10 equals 39 inches squared. Maxwell needs 2 tubes of craft paint. How do you know that Maxwell needs 2 tubes of paint? One tube covers about 20 inches squared, so 2 tubes will cover about 40 inches squared. 2 tubes are enough to cover 39 inches squared. Here is another way. Because the side lengths of the base of the pyramid are all equal, you can use the formula SA equals B plus, open parenthesis, N times A, close parenthesis, to find the surface area, SA, of this pyramid. Evaluate the formula. B equals the area of the base of the pyramid, 9. N equals the number of faces, 4. A equals the area of each triangular face, 7 5/10. Maxwell needs 2 tubes of craft paint. Now you know how you can find the surface area of a pyramid.
Okay, let us answer page 721. Question 1. Each side of the base of a square pyramid is 4 inches and the height of each triangular face is 5 inches. Draw a net for this pyramid and find its surface area. So, it is again a square pyramid with a base of a square, of course, with lengths of 4 inches. So let us draw that first. The base is 4 inches. Okay, so this is our base, which is a square with the length of 4 inches. And the height of each triangular face is 5 inches. So 5 inches. Okay, that is 5 inches. Now let's draw the triangular face here. Okay, on the right side, again it is 5 inches. So let's draw the triangular face on this side. Okay, the bottom part, 5 inches. So again, the triangle. And on the left side, 5 inches. That is the height of the triangle. So let's draw our triangular face on this side. Okay, so the square measures 4 inches. And of course, all of the sides of that square is 4 inches. And the height of each triangular face is 5 inches. Okay, now how are we going to find the surface area of this square pyramid? So first thing, let us find the area of the square base. So again, the formula for the area of the square is side times side. So that is equal to 4 times 4. That is equal to 16 square inches. What about the triangular faces? Remember that these 4 triangular faces are equal to each other. So we will just solve for one area of the triangle and just write them 4 times because this triangular faces have the same area. So the area of that triangle is 16 for this square. So the area of the triangle now is equal to 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 times 4 is the base of the triangle and the height of 5. So that is equal to 1/2 times 20. So 1/2 of 20 is 10 square inches. So meaning to say these triangular faces have the area of 10. Also here is 10 and this is 10 and this is also 10. Now to find the area of that pyramid, we are going to find the total of the areas of the square and its 4 triangular faces. So here we have 16 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So that is equal to 56 square inches. Okay, that is question 1. Let's go to question 2. Draw a net of the triangular pyramid and use it to find its area. Okay, this is a triangular pyramid since its base is a triangle. And as you can see, the sides of these triangles are all equal, meaning these triangles are equilateral, meaning to say the length of the sides are all 12. Okay, so here, first thing you should do is to count how many faces does this triangular pyramid have. So okay, so you have here at the base you have 1, and since the base is a triangle, so it has 3 triangular faces. So 1 base and 3 triangular faces will all be equal to 4 triangles. So we are just going to find the area of 1 triangle and just multiply it with 4. So okay, let's solve for the area of the triangle. So the formula is 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 times the base is 12 and the height of that triangle is 10.4. So 1/2 of 124.8. So that is equal to 62.4 square feet. So meaning to say our area for one triangle is 62.4 square feet. Now let's find the area of the whole triangular pyramid. So we are just going to multiply it by 4. So 4 times 62.4 equals 249.6 square feet. Since, why did we multiply it with 4? Since it has 4 faces and all is having the same area. So 4 times 62.4 is equal to 249.6 square feet. Okay, so let's go to your independent practice. As you know, independent practice will be your turn to solve. So pause the video, try to answer numbers 3 to 5, and later on play the video and look at or check your answers. Okay, number 3. The answer is 340 square feet. Check your answer. Number 4, 36 square meters. Check your answer. Number 5, 110.88 square centimeter. Check your answer. Okay, on page 722, the problem-solving part. Question 6. Can draw a square pyramid and its net to represent a patio umbrella. Complete the net by filling in the missing measures. So, the net was already drawn here. We are just going to fill in the missing measures. So, that is having a base of a square with measurement of the side as 3 feet. And a triangle, the height of that triangle is 5 feet. Okay, those are the missing measures. Number 7. Use the net to find the amount of fabric Ken needs to make the umbrella. So, in finding the surface area of the square pyramid again, we are going to find first the area of the square base. So again, the area of the square base is equal to side times side. So since it is 3 feet, so multiply it again by 3. That is equal to 9 square feet for the area of the square base. What about the triangle? So again, the formula, 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 times 3 for the base of the triangle and the height of 5. So 1/2 of 15 is 7.5 square feet. Okay, so the area of that pyramid will be equal to the area of the square, which is 9, and the 4 triangular faces, which is 7.5. So all in all, the total area is 39 square feet. Okay. Answer your practice exercises and homework independently. If you have questions, don't hesitate to comment in our group. Thank you for listening.